Hello, I'm Kyle Bradshaw from Chaparral Motorsports, and today I want to give you a detailed breakdown of the Outlander GTX boots from KLIM. This is going to be the perfect mix of hardcore riding boot and off-the-bike hiking boot. This is going to be for the guy who's adventure touring, who gets off the bike and then walks around town or hikes to the top of a peak and back. A very, very comfortable boot with a great sole, waterproof on the exterior via Goretex, and a very interesting thing is both the ankle and tongue of this boot have D3O Armor in place, so you have impact protection as well. Now let's take a look at some of the specific features and benefits that KLIM has built into the Outlander GTX boot. When it comes to functionality, this is a very street-worthy motorcycle boot that has protection that comes all the way up over the ankle. Now when it comes to protection, KLIM has done something a little bit different with this boot. They have a reinforced toe and a reinforced heel that are connected to a full-width lasting board. That is a protective insole that goes from the toe all the way to the heel and all the way across the side. They did that instead of putting a simple steel or nylon shank in the boot. That's going to give you great protection against sticks, rocks, even foot pegs if you're coming down off a jump off of your motorcycle. Now taking a look at the sole of this boot, you can see this is a very nice hyper grip sole. It's going to give you great feedback on the bike and off the bike as you hike through rugged terrain. Now something we've seen a lot from KLIM this year is the use of carbonite mesh. This is going to be a very free-flowing vented material that we're going to have here in the toe, up the chassis of the boot, and across the top. Now there is a Goretex layer laminated to the inside of the boot that's going to allow this boot to be 100% waterproof all the way up to the top of the boot. Now this boot has a very, very simple and unique opening closure system. It's literally a one-hand operation. You pull the boa out and you lift the tongue and you slip out of the boot. Now on the inside here, you can see the Goretex liner here on the inside. That is what's going to keep your foot nice and dry in the case of inclement weather. Again, we have a gusset here on the front, so you can get into water about 8 inches high before you get water coming down into the boot. Now if you're wearing a pair of KLIM Goretex pant that comes down around the bottom of the boot and has a good seal, you're not going to get any water in this boot even during your creek crossing. Now let's take one more look at that BOA system here on this boot. You simply pull the BOA dial out and lift up, and that's going to release the tension on the boot so you can slip out. You slip back in, put your tongue in place, snap the BOA dial into location, and give it a twist. This is going to give you even tension all the way down to the toe junction of your boot. Now this boot has been designed for great wear and tear, and you're going to notice here at the toe and also back here at the back, there is an anti-scuff property here. This is a rubber overlay that allows this boot to be able to take some abuse and to not show the wear. When it comes to safety, in addition to the footbed and the D3O Armor that's in it, it also features biomotion reflectivity. That biomotion reflectivity is going to allow this boot, or the reflective on this boot, to shift as the boot moves past whatever light is coming at it. Now I'm going to go ahead and step into these boots and show you what they look like with a pair of the Switchback cargo pant from KLIM. As you can see here, this is a very, very good pairing. The Switchback pant is meant to be an all-day wear pant. Take a look in the description below for a detailed breakdown of that pant. So in trying these boots on, I tried the 9 on and they were a bit too snug. The 10 happens to be a perfect fit. Also looking closely at the toe, you're going to see that this boot features a Nest Fit technology. Now that is a trademark name, and that means that the big toe starts out larger and it tapers off towards the pinky toe, following the natural shape and form of the human foot. And there you have it, the Outlander GTX boots from KLIM. Waterproof, impact protection, great traction, good for hiking, and great for motorcycle riding. This is a do-it-all boot from KLIM if you are looking to do some adventure touring. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this boot, please leave a comment below. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you want more action like this coming directly to your inbox, please hit that subscribe button and more importantly, the notification bell. Until next time, as always, take care and ride safe out there.